This is the BTU calculator for heating and cooling load, which determines the thermal capacity needed to maintain comfortable temperatures in any room. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter the room length in feet and room width in feet. Next is ceiling height in feet, which defaults to 8. For number of windows, enter how many windows are in the room, starting at 2 by default. Temperature difference in degrees. Fahrenheit represents your indoor temperature minus the outdoor temperature, defaulting to 20. For the drop-down menus, insulation quality offers poor, average, good, or excellent insulation. I'm selecting average insulation. Climate zone includes temperate, hot, humid, hot, dry, or cold. I'm choosing temperate. Here's our example. A 10 by 10 foot room with 8-foot ceilings, 2 windows, and a 20-degree temperature difference. After clicking Calculate BTU Requirements, we get 4 results. Room area shows 100 square feet. Room volume calculates to 800 cubic feet. Base BTU-H comes to 2000 BTU per hour. Most importantly, required BTU-H shows 3000 BTU per hour. This is your actual heating or cooling capacity needed. Calculate your room's requirements today. Find the link in the description below.